Jesus Christ fully experienced the challenges and sorrows of this life. He knows each of us and understands us perfectly. He was the Son of God with infinite knowledge and power, yet he was also mortal and susceptible to hunger and pain. Even as a young man, Jesus was teaching the Word of God. At 12 years old, he taught in the temple, and all that heard him were astonished at his understanding. When Jesus began his ministry, he fasted in the wilderness for 40 days. He was tempted by the devil and overcame that temptations. He was also baptized in the Jordan River by John the Baptist. Although Jesus was without sin, he was still baptized by immersion in order to teach us obedience to God. After Jesus' baptism, God declared, "This is my beloved Son, in whom I am well pleased." Matthew chapter 3 verse 17. Jesus healed the sick, gave sight to the blind, and even brought the dead back to life. More importantly, he made these miracles possible. Although his works were considered blasphemous behavior by the Jewish